If you're ready to make some serious bank this holiday season, this video is for you. I'm about to share with you 3 print-on-demand products that are absolutely crushing it right now. They all have one thing in common, and that is that they sell like crazy during the holiday season. They have huge profit margins, and you can start selling them with $0 upfront. These products have helped me and other sellers generate thousands of dollars during Q4, and I'm going to show you how to start designing them, how to price them, and start selling them today. So if you're ready to make this your most profitable quarter yet, be sure to stick with me here. You're going to want to start listing these ASAP before everyone else catches on. If you're new here, hey, I'm Angie, and I help you make money online with digital marketing strategies using theme pages, print on demand, Etsy, and more. And today I'm walking you through 3 high profit print on demand products that you can start selling right away, whether it be on Etsy or through a pop-up shop on your theme page, plus how you can boost your profits tenfold by tapping into the personalization feature. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. So first up, we have blankets, and this is one of my all-time favorite blankets. It's so cozy, so warm. And this is the Sherpa blanket from Printify. And blankets are one of the most emotional and giftable products that you can actually sell. Everyone really loves a cozy throw, and if you can actually personalize it by adding a name, a photo, or a quote, it becomes the perfect Christmas, wedding, or family gift. And what's awesome about the Printify Sherpa blankets is they have about a 47% profit margin. So they can be sold around $45, and the cost to you is only going to be around $23. So that's about a $22 profit per sale, and that is before Etsy fees and assuming that you are a Printify Premium member. You just need to sell 5 per day in order to make $100 per day, and if you're tapping into the Etsy platform where they already have buyers and the buyers are lining up to buy from you, that becomes very, very easy, especially during the holiday season. If you have good designs, if you've done proper research and keywords, and you're very active in listing in your store. And a bonus, if you follow my theme page training, sales become almost effortless when you create the right audience and you put the right product in front of them. So here's a quick strategy for you if you want to sell blankets. You can create an AI or Canva design with family names, holiday sayings, or pet photos. And you can utilize Printify's free personalization tool in order to allow buyers to upload their family names or their own pet photo. And to really help these sell, you can add words to your listing like custom, personalized, and photo gift in your Etsy SEO and tags. Blankets do amazing in Q4 on Etsy because they are emotional purchases. People aren't just buying a product, they're also buying a feeling. Next, let's talk about candles. These are absolute best sellers for gift giving, and they absolutely explode around the holiday season. Candles have a whopping 60% profit margin where you can buy them for just over $7 and sell them upwards of $20 on Etsy. And here's some quick ideas that are selling for candles. Funny quote candles such as "smells like a toxic ex" or "one more Zoom call." Sentimental candles for mom, best friend, or significant other. Holiday candles related to Christmas mornings or cozy evenings. You can use AI such as ChatGPT to help you come up with witty sayings. And the best thing about candles is simple text designs actually work best. So you don't have to go into making crazy graphics or being a super skilled artist. You can also use the mockups that Printify provides. So you don't even have to make additional mockups. You do your text design right in Canva, upload it to Printify, use their mockups to push it directly over to your Etsy store, and it makes the listing process extremely fast and extremely easy. And don't forget to incorporate the Printify personalization tool where your customers can add names, dates, and anything personalized to them. And finally, ornaments. Every single year during Q4, ornaments always go viral. They're small, extremely easy to ship, and customers often buy multiples. Ornaments have a 74% profit margin. They can be purchased for as little as $3.78 and sold for $14.99. That's $11 in profit, and with customers buying multiples, those can add up very, very quickly. And these also sell best with the personalization element. For example, utilizing family names, the year or a date, and also custom pet photos. These work great for new homeowners, such as our first home with the custom date, baby's first Christmas with the custom baby name, and my favorite, custom pet photos, where buyers can upload their own pet's photo. So there you have it, blankets, candles, and ornaments. Those are 3 high profit, emotionally giftable items that are trending for Q4 and the holiday season. And when you combine them with Printify's free personalization element, that can absolutely make your profits skyrocket. Entire process can be started with $0 upfront, and it can be 100% automated once you have everything in place. So if you're ready to set up your free Printify account, I have all of my best resources linked for you down below. So once you click the link directly below to set up your free Printify account, then you can just go over to the catalog, and under home and living, you can find candles, ornaments, and blankets. So for candles, I really like to go with Lumient. I have sold hundreds of these candles right here. And this company, Lumient, ships quickly, and they are really on top of it even at Christmas time. For ornaments, I really like to use Swift POD. And for the Sherpa blanket, we've got MWW. They ship within about 1 day, and you can also use the mockups directly from Printify. Once you select a product, whether it's a candle, an ornament, a blanket, or one of the other thousands of products that Printify has, all you have to do is click Start Designing. Check out the print area size for your Canva template. Hop over to Canva and type in the custom measurements and click Create New Design. Add your text to the template and then go ahead and download it. You want to make sure that is with a transparent background and that it is a PNG file. Then you simply upload your design right here, and you can go ahead and preview it in the top right hand corner, and you can see how fantastic Printify's mockups are and how simple this product is. And when it comes to candles, there's all sorts of different scents that you can choose from and add to your listing. I'm just going to go ahead and add all of them here, and then head down to the bottom there and save. I love to use the AI tool to help me write the title, description, and tags, and then I sync the details with my Etsy shop and publish it over to Etsy. If you haven't connected a store yet, I have a full tutorial on how to set up your Printify account properly in order to make sure that you can publish it to a store, whether it is Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, a pop-up shop, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and more. So you can find that full setup tutorial down below in the description, along with more design and product creation videos. Be sure to get started today and get those listed before the holiday rush. You still have plenty of time, and you will be so excited when that first sale rolls in, and then the next one, and the next one, and the holiday season can truly change everything and kick off a profitable store. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like or a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, make sure that you are subscribed so you have plenty of ways to make money online and learn all of my best growth strategies. I'm going to link my full print on demand playlist down in the description, and I will see you in the next video.